Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So you guys must be thinking that what I am doing here right now, I mean what kind of video I'm making today. You guys must be thinking that, right? So आपने मुझे नॉर्मली डांस वीडियोस बनाते हुए देखा होगा, डांस करते हुए देखा होगा. ये यूट्यूब पे मेरी पहली कुछ डिफरेंट वीडियो है. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम वाव स्किन साइंस, which is Wow Skin Science Brightening Vitamin C Face Wash. Apart from dancer and choreographer, I am also an influencer. So I take care of my skin and my hair very nicely. So doing makeup is part of our life, right? We do makeup every day. Like मैं जब डांस वीडियोस बनाती हूँ तब मुझे मेकअप करना होता है. मैं कोई स्मॉल रील बना रही हूँ इंस्टाग्राम के लिए, मुझे मेकअप करना होता है. मुझे जब यूट्यूब के लिए वीडियो बनानी है, मुझे I have to wear makeup because I have to look good, right? I don't wear much makeup, but yeah, I wear some makeup. तो डेली बेसिस पे मेकअप वेयर करने से आपकी स्किन डल हो जाती है. तो आपको आपकी स्किन की केयर करना बहुत ज़्यादा मैंडेटरी है. मैंने बहुत सारे फेस वॉशेस ट्राई किए, मैंने बहुत सारे मास्क ट्राई किए, मैंने बहुत सारे डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई किए टू मेक माई स्किन look good, look healthier every time. So I come through a very natural and a very amazing product from Wow Skin Science. So I got this amazing face wash from Wow Skin Science, and I'm in love with this face wash just by knowing that it is sulfate free, no silicone, no extra color, no parabens and nothing artificial in it. This product is whole natural product. So I'm gonna tell you something about this product. Let's just know much about this product कि ये प्रोडक्ट क्या है, इसके अंदर क्या क्या आपको मिल रहा है, ये आपकी स्किन के लिए सही है या नहीं है. It is having the goodness of vitamin C in it. It is vitamin C face wash. Wow Skin Science Vitamin C face wash. So let's just know something about vitamin C. So vitamin C. Vitamin C is a proven potent antioxidant that neutralizes skin damaging free radicals responsible for dullness, age spots and wrinkles. This face wash also contains therapeutic grade essentials oil of lemon and orange that help even out complexion and restore skin's radiance. It also has vitamins B3, B5 and vitamin E. Vitamin E is specially to nourish your skin and to repair your damaged skin. So let's just see how to use this product. As you all can see, my skin used to look so dull and uneven. Not at all good. But I got a perfect solution to give a life to my dull skin, that is Wow Skin Science Brightening Vitamin C Face Wash. You just have to wet your face nicely. Then take a small amount of Wow Skin Science Brightening Vitamin C Face Wash. You can clearly see that there are no artificial color in this face wash. Apply this face wash to your face and massage for 30 to 60 seconds on your face using circular motions with your fingers. Wash off your face with plenty of plain water. Now, dab your skin dry with soft towel. The lemon and orange essential oils contain vitamin C. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps to neutralize free radicals to protect skin against damage. So, you guys have understood that how I use this product and how it makes my skin look so bright. So, इस product ने मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा help की मेरी skin की dullness को रिमूव करने के लिए, मेरी स्किन को ब्राइट बनाने के लिए एंड मॉइस्चराइज करने के लिए. सो So when I got this product, I was in a little bit doubt of using it because I have used a lot of products and they didn't work on my skin, right? But when I used it, I just loved it. I just truly loved it because it is so good, it is so natural, it is so amazing. I got this product a week ago and I'm using it on a daily basis, so you can have a look on my skin. This product is working on my skin really nicely. So mostly people prefer using natural product क्योंकि artificial चीज़ें लोगों को आजकल नहीं पसंद आती है, ना ही वो ज़्यादातर स्किन टाइप पे यूज़ करती है. Every girl and every boy has different skin type. Some has oily, some has dry skin, some has normal skin like me. But this product is suitable for all skin type. That is the best part of this product, that it is suitable for all skin type. So you don't have to worry about your skin type कि मेरी skin oily है, ये product मेरी skin पे सूट करेगा या नहीं करेगा, ये मेरी skin dry है, ये product सूट करेगा या नहीं करेगा. ये product suitable है हर skin type के लिए. So let me tell you something about this brand. The ultimate affordable one-stop destination for all your beauty, health and wellness needs. Wow is a well-reputed brand that is dedicated to redefining beauty, health and wellness with extensive range of natural and herbal products without any harmful chemicals. So I would like to tell you that this product is dermatologically tested. So it is perfectly safe for your skin. So you are good to go with this product.